Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we are going to cover service of cloud managers. This video will be divided in more further videos as service section is more wider and for different purpose we generally use that. So let's start with service. In the service, the very first section is related to environment. And what we can do from this environment, we can see how many environments are active at present. It could be your stage production and development, which are coming by default. And also you can spin up multiple similar as development environments. Also your RDE, which is a rapid development environment for your regular development purpose that could be used by your developers. And you can access all those environment through the URLs as we discussed in the previous video. Different URLs are available to access different tiers within an environment like author tier, publish tier, or preview tier. You dispatcher URLs also you can pull out. View status you can also look at like which environment is in which particular state. It could be running or might be looking for some updates or hibernated or might be stopped. You can restart the services, but that is with very limited extents. So it means you can just do limited operations on the services side as those are in control of Adobe. However, we can look at the logs and can do the monitoring of the environments. Users who generally access these environments are developers, your DevOps team or platform owners, or might be architect. Common use cases to look at the environment section. Whenever you want to check how many environments are available under which state. Might be you need to update your version of AEM, or you need to access any of the tier under a particular environment, or any troubleshooting you want to execute. For that purpose, you need to go with the environment. Let's see on the screen how environment will be available for you under the service section. And the left hand side, you need to click on these services and click on the environment section. You can see all the environments available for you. Or you can see the status like running or might be hibernated if those are not in a current running state or active state. If you are having more credits, as you can see here, I do have one production, one stage, and one dev. A part of that, I do have different as equivalent as dev environment. If you want to add more environments, click on the add environment button. From here, you can add different environments as well. As I have already used my all the credits to spin up the development specific environment or equivalent to development environment. Stage and production are default. Only one occurrence could be available under a program. Now I can spin up more rapid environments. So I just need to select that and provide the name of the environment under which region or specific uh, server I need to pull that out or serve the content that is there. And once I'm done, I need to click on the save. New environment will be appearing here, and I can do the deployment or any kind of execution I can perform on that new spin up environment. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, feel free to add your point in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like my channel.